Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start our macroeconomic portions. We start with our third chapter, Money and Banking. The use of money spans a very large part of our everyday life. Look around. You would easily be able to identify several transactions involving money in any single day. In many of these transactions, goods are being bought and sold with the use of money. In some of these transactions, services are being exchanged with money. For some, there might not be any actual transfer of money taking place now, but a promise to pay money later. Have you ever wondered why transactions are made in money? The reason is simple. A person holding money can easily exchange it for any commodity or service that he or she might want. Before money was invented, the primitive world's trade was carried out according to the barter system of exchange. In the beginning of civilization, human needs were simple and limited. People used it to exchange goods with each other to satisfy their wants. Barter system is a system in which goods and services are exchanged for other goods and services. An economy where there is a direct barter of goods and services is called a barter economy or commodity economy. It is non-monetary system of exchange. Limitations of barter system. The major limitations of barter system are: first, lack of double coincidence of wants. What a person desires to sell is exactly what the other wishes to buy is known as double coincidence of wants. In a barter system where goods are directly exchanged without the use of money, double coincidence of want is an essential feature. Barter system can work only when both buyer and seller are ready to exchange each other's goods. For example, A can exchange goods with B only when A has what B wants and B has what A wants. However, such double coincidence is very rare. Lack of common measure of value. In barter system, all commodities are not equal value and there is no common measure or unit of value of goods and services in which exchange ratios can be expressed. For example, if A has wheat and B has rice, then it is difficult to decide how much wheat is needed to exchange with 1 kilogram of rice. In the absence of common measure, the exchange ratio is fixed randomly in which one of the party generally suffers. Then, lack of store of value. Under barter system, it is difficult for people to store wealth for future use because most of the goods like wheat, rice, vegetables, etc. do not possess durability. That is, their quality deteriorates with passage of time. Storage of goods requires time and efforts. As a result, goods cannot be used to store the earnings for a long period. Lack of standard of deferred payments. Under barter system, contracts involving future payments or credit transactions cannot take place with ease. So, it is very difficult to make deferred payments in the form of goods. Barter system can work with few commodities in the primitive society. However, it is very difficult in the modern economy. where we need millions of exchange ratios for a large number of goods and services.